Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hooks, Marketing Coordinator for GCSE Corporate College. Nazy Dolar, Business Analyst for the Business Innovation Center in Corporate College, is here with us today to talk about a new program, the Smart Business Series, that is launching in August. Nazy, please share with us what exactly the Smart Business Series is.
Well, Gulf Coast Corporate College and the Business Innovation Center is launching this 4-part educational workshop called the Smart Business. It's for new and existing businesses looking for improvement to their business strategy. The topics that we will include are operations, finance, human resources, marketing and sales, and so much more.
This sounds like a great educational opportunity to assist local business community.
Yes, this is a wonderful opportunity, and it could be life-changing for our business. An added bonus to this pilot program is that the Smart Business Series will include guest speakers in attendance from several local businesses who will cover these key critical areas that are so important to business strategy.
This is a great bonus to have these real-world seasoned professionals from a variety of fields there to give advice and best practices in the many areas concerning business.
Yeah, some of the organizations that are going to be represented will be Applied Research Associates, Bay EDA, a law firm, Hand, Arundel, Harrison and Sale, Panama City's Holiday Inn Select, HVAC Grow, Bay County Sherm, and an accounting firm, Tipton, Marler, and Chastain.
Wow. What does the workshop cost?
Well, the workshop is a great price. It's $150 per person for all 4 of the sessions combined.
When will the workshop take place?
They will take place on Tuesdays, August 7th through August 28th from 5:30 to 7:30. So you have to register by July 31st.
Okay, we're coming up on that time. Where can someone register for the Smart Business Series?
It's easy. Just go to gulfcoast.edu/entrepreneur.
Okay, great. I'd like to thank Nazy for sharing this important information for our business community. If you have any additional questions, please contact her at 850-769-1551, extension 2840. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.